Hello everyone. Today is 12th of January and it's time for today's learning and sharing the message with you all. Now, no matter how my day went, I have to make sure that I am recording a video and sharing the same with you. So, my learning for today is I've just noted it down here and I'll read it out so that the message goes crisp and clear. There comes a moment in life where you have to actually leave everything to Almighty or whatever you believe is the supreme power. Now, the supreme power can be the Lord you praise of your particular religion, or it can be the power within yourself, it can be the power of time, it can be anything. You have to just leave whatever mess has happened to that power to take care of, nothing else. And that is the best solution, because there will definitely moments will be there wherein you have no clue about what is the next step. So rather than struggling with people and the situation outside, it's better to just try to, you know, make peace with your thoughts for a moment, for a couple of days, maybe couple of weeks, but it's like that. At times, it is things go out of your hand, and it's not easy to stay composed, easy to understand whatever the person in front of you is trying to tell you, how to face the situation, how to just hold up, just how to just manage. It is not easy. You don't buy the points, because in your head, in your heart, you're fighting, you're struggling, you are in pain, but it is only you who can help yourself. Okay, so the learning for today is same as I said. You have to leave everything. It's not that just get lost. It's not कि सब भूल जाओ, छोड़ दो और पड़े रहो. No, just spend your day, rest of your day, or or the coming days until there is some solution to the problem. Now, you all have to agree with this fact that every problem has a solution. If you do not, then please do agree, because I have also agreed to this with time, with whatever little experience I have till date. So, yeah, you have to keep holding on, have trust in that supreme power, have faith in yourself, and just believe that things might not appear to be in your favor, but I believe it is shaping. Things are getting into shape. Your life is getting into shape of what you have dreamt of. Believe that. That will come to you. Because right now I am believing it. I was not this kind of believer maybe a couple of months back, but this comes. You got to believe. My suggestions, apart from how you should hold up with this kind of time and difficulties and restless situations, would be that you can indulge yourselves in some reading, some self improvement books. Just spend your time the way you would want to when you have a free time. you might have planned कि मेरे पास अरे यार एक दिन मिल जाता है या 4-5 दिन मिल जाते फुर्सत के तो मैं कैसे करता, तो you have that time now. Okay, so just go with the flow and just focus on the day thing and hope that the best thing, you are getting closer and that best thing is getting closer to you. Okay, keep hoping, keep attracting the positive part. Negative has already happened, so what is left? The positive. Now let that positive come to you. Okay, so this is what I am doing, and this is what I wish you people to or would request you people to think about. Okay, I think that would be that's it for the day. And also I was thinking that maybe we can take this daily blog thing for 21 days program. We can keep it like that, because otherwise it will become very monotonous, and you know, maybe, I mean, I think for 21 days, and then we can think of something else, something more which is related to self improvement, growth, and uh, helping ourselves to cope up with difficulties and challenges with some different, from different angle or different perspective. So hope to see you soon, see you tomorrow, or with my next the day's learning thing, and let's be better together. Okay, so stay in touch, stay connected. Bye, take care, all the best.